The human heart is a complex, muscular organ that pumps blood throughout our bodies, delivering essential nutrients and oxygen to keep us alive. But have you ever wondered how your heart actually works? What are the four chambers of the heart, and what do they do? It is divided into four chambers, two upper chambers called atria, and two lower chambers called ventricles. The right atrium receives deoxygenated blood from the body and pumps it to the right ventricle. The left atrium receives oxygenated blood from the lungs and pumps it to the left ventricle. The heart is made up of three layers: the outer pericardium, the middle myocardium, and the inner endocardium. The coronary artery supplies oxygen-rich blood to the heart muscle itself, which is essential for proper function. When the heart contracts, it needs a lot of energy to power the process. This energy is supplied by the food we eat, which is broken down into glucose. Glucose is then converted into ATP, or energy currency of the body, through a process known as cellular respiration. Cellular respiration requires oxygen, which is why the heart needs a constant supply of oxygen-rich blood from the coronary artery. The pericardium is a protective layer that surrounds the heart and helps to prevent infection and inflammation from spreading to the heart muscle. By understanding how the heart works, we can better appreciate the complexity and wonder of the human body. From the intricate network of chambers and valves to the electrical activity that controls its beating, the heart is a remarkable example of biological engineering. So next time you feel your heartbeat, take a moment to appreciate the incredible organ that makes it possible. The myocardium is the thickest layer of the heart and is made up of cardiac muscle tissue. This is the layer that actually pumps blood out of the heart. The endocardium is a thin layer of tissue that lines the inside of the heart and the valves. It is responsible for producing a smooth surface for the blood to flow over, reducing resistance and turbulence in the bloodstream. The right ventricle pumps deoxygenated blood to the lungs to pick up oxygen, and the left ventricle pumps oxygenated blood to the rest of the body. What is the function of the valves in your heart? There are four valves in the heart: the tricuspid valve, the pulmonary valve, the mitral valve, and the aortic valve. The tricuspid valve is located between the right atrium and right ventricle. The pulmonary valve is located between the right ventricle and the lungs. The mitral valve is located between the left atrium and left ventricle, and the aortic valve is located between the left ventricle and the aorta, the main artery in the body. These valves open and close in response to changes in blood pressure, ensuring that blood flows in the correct direction. And how does electrical activity control the heartbeat? In this video, we will explore the inner workings of the heart and answer these questions and more. So let us dive into the fascinating world of the cardiovascular system and learn about the incredible organ that makes it all possible, the heart. The heart is a muscular organ about the size of a fist located in the chest cavity between the lungs. The heart is also made up of valves that help to ensure that blood flows in one direction through the heart. The heart is an incredible muscular organ that relies on electrical activity to function properly. The heartbeat is controlled by a group of cells known as the cardiac conduction system, which generates electrical impulses that tell the heart when to contract. The cardiac conduction system is made up of several components, including the sinoatrial node, or SA node, the atrioventricular node, or AV node, and the bundle of His. The SA node is located in the right atrium and is known as the heart's natural pacemaker. It generates electrical impulses that cause the atria to contract, pushing blood into the ventricles. The AV node is located in the lower part of the heart and delays the electrical signal slightly before it passes through the bundle of His and into the ventricles. This delay allows the ventricles to fill with blood completely before they contract. The electrical activity of the heart can be monitored using a device known as an electrocardiogram, or ECG, which can help doctors diagnose various heart conditions. Now that we know how the heart works, let's take a closer look at the amazing structure of this vital organ. In addition to these three layers, the heart is also supplied by a network of blood vessels known as the coronary artery. The heart is truly an amazing organ that is vital for life itself. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and share for more informative content about the human body and other amazing topics.